Welcome to 3194 Dutch Hollow Road in Bemus Point. This well-maintained 3-bedroom, 2-bath ranch offers comfortable one-floor living with an open floor plan and plenty of space inside and out. A large front entry welcomes you into the home and leads to the main living areas. The kitchen features stainless steel appliances and flows easily into the dining and living spaces. The primary bedroom includes a private full bath with convenient laundry, while 2 additional bedrooms and a second full bath complete the main level. Recent improvements include a 4-stair furnace, central air conditioning, a newer septic system, new hot water tank, and carpeting in the bedrooms. A spacious, unfinished basement provides excellent storage, additional laundry hookups, and plenty of potential for future use. Outside, enjoy a large fenced yard, back deck and attached 2-car garage. Located in the Bemus Point School